Yeah, yeah, you are audible for me. Actually,
Yeah, where
bro,
are you calling from, brother? Yeah,
actually,
tell me. You tell
yeah,
me now.
I'm speaking from Gorakhpur, and I live in the state of UP, Uttar Pradesh. Do you know
Yep.
where is
Yeah,
Gorakhpur?
yeah, I know Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar,
Yeah.
Jharkhand.
Actually, bro, I was looking forward to talk to you, and that's the reason I had sent you message on your Skype ad.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, brother.
and I'm trying to my best level to learning this language. Actually,
Yeah.
before, yeah, it's my first time I'm talking to on Sky app, and I'm feeling so happy. I can't tell you, I cannot describe in the words and how much I'm feeling so happy talking while talking to you.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's uh,
Thank you. Thank.
it's my
Yeah.
pleasure.
Tell
It's my
me.
pleasure. It's my pleasure you have called me.
Pleasure is mine, brother. Pleasure is mine.
Actually, bro, do you know, bro? I'm not able to speak like I'm not able to speak properly like you, but I'm trying to my best.
Well, well, don't say like that. I'm not able to. Don't say like that anytime. I'm trying to. I'm trying to. You should say I'm trying to. You should not say able to. I'm not able to. This is not a good word, brother.
Okay,
Remove
okay,
from your dictionary.
okay, okay. From today, I'll never speak like that. From
Yeah.
today,
Okay.
from today,
Mm,
I'll never speak like that.
yeah.
And
Yeah.
so, and I'm Satya, and I live in Gorakhpur city, the state of UP, and I'm studying in 11th class school from Hindi medium schools. From Hindi
Mm-hmm.
medium school. Actually, bro, I want to become a teacher of English subject, and that's the reason beyond it. I'm learning this language. Yeah, and here, and
Mashallah.
yeah, do you
Yeah.
know? Maybe you can't believe where I live. There is no person who are interested to learning English and who are able to speak English. And when I speak English, they make fun at me.
Yeah.
Satya is he is a mental boy. What will we do after learning this language?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'll never focus on that things.
Yeah.
Uh, I I believe on myself. One day I will be able to speak properly, and I will be able to understand all those meaning
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. 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 That's cool. That's perfect, brother. That's very nice. You are
Yeah,
the
yeah.
real guy. I met you are the real guy who learning English. You're fantastic, brother.
I have been totally crazy of learning this language, and I have been
Mashallah,
learning.
mashallah.
I have been learning this language for 6 months.
Yeah.
For 6 months, I have started learning this language from 2022. In these years, I have
Mhm.
started to learn this language.
Yes. So improved good, brother. You improving. You are improving. You speak very well. So could you please tell me? Could you please tell me how you are learning English? How? What kind of a tactic you are using while learning English?
Okay.
Please.
When I started to learn English in 2022, 1st January, I have started to learn
Mm.
this language 1st January, and that moment I was following LSRW. LSRW. L for listening, and S for speaking, and R for reading, and W for writing.
Yeah.
And whenever I have spare time, I mean, whenever I have a lot of time spare, that moment I like to watch English movies and listening English songs. And at the night time before go to bed, I write about my
Uh,
biography. Yeah, I write my I write my about my biography at the night time before sleep.
before sleeping.
Before sleeping, and
Yes,
at the
yes, yes.
at the morning time, I would like I would like to listening listening English videos, listening English movies, listening songs,
Mm-hmm.
and sometimes I read books in order to improving my speaking skills.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, that's cool, brother. So why you want to become an English teacher? Why? What's the
Oh,
reason behind that?
okay. Actually, bro, in my family there is no person who are educated. I'm the only one person who are interested to learning this language. And my father said always, mm, te- teacher job is a very respectful job in society, and that's the reason I'm trying to my best level to learn English. And after learning this language, I would like to become a teacher. And I have some student and who all those people who study class fifth and one two. I study all those people in the morning, 6 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll teach.
Wow, wow. You are doing great job, brother. Heads up you. You are doing great job.
And
This is your first step toward become a tutor, toward become a teacher in future. This is your first. You already put your first step. You know that's fantastic.
and I was planning about to purchase Cambly benefit, purchase Cambly benefit.
You are planning what you are planning?
I'm planning purchasing Cambly app.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to manage? It's affordable for you?
Actually, I will be free only Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sunday, and I was one day one day I was thinking about to purchase Cambly app, and but that moment uh, it seemed to me too expensive. But before that, I was.
They are charging lots of money, brother. They are charging, well, I really don't know whether you have idea or not, but they are charging lots of money. You know, they are charging 1 hour for 1,500 rupees. They'll give you
Yeah,
4 sessions, each session 15 minutes per week.
yeah,
So
50 minutes.
totally it take 1 month to complete, yeah, your 1 hour session.
Yeah. Actually, I want to in order to improving my speaking skills and to take it to the best level, I want to purchase this plan.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, don't purchase right now. Give me some time. I'll provide you a American tutor free. Okay.
Okay. It will be my
Why
pleasure.
Zoom? Yeah, I'm gonna. It takes some time, but take my note down my word. I'm gonna provide you a American native tutor, inshallah soon. Don't
Yeah.
purchase Cambly now.
Thanks, thanks for doing it, and it will be my pleasure if you help me.
No, why? Because of you are you. I found you are a keen learner. You know,
Yeah.
you have something. You have something. I found you have something in you. So that's why, brother.
Okay, bro. What is your native language?
My Hindi, Gujarati, and Marathi, brother. These three languages my native language. Hindi,
Okay.
Marathi, and Gujarati.
So,
Well, I cannot say
you have
Hindi.
knowledge
These three languages are,
but
yeah.
you are not right now. You are able to speak four languages.
No, I'm able to speak more than four language.
Yeah. And right now I can speak three languages.
Mm?
In first Hindi, and second is Bhojpuri, and third one is English. And it is one of my best language. I like English
Yeah,
language. Yeah, I love English
mashallah.
language.
I love as well, brother. Thank you. That's fantastic.